We live, we live, we live. We live, we back. We live, man. Casper taking over the space, man. Coin Bureau talking about Casper now. Everybody in the crypto space know about Coin Bureau. Everybody and their mama know about Coin Bureau. If you're in crypto, of course you know who Coin Bureau is. Even the Coin Bureau team talking about Casper now. Come on, man. Put some respect on Casper's name, y'all. Tweet the stream out. Tweet the stream out. First thing first, tweet the stream out. First thing first, tweet the stream out. My apologies for the noise in the background, guys. I'm gonna try to figure it out and get it, you know, get it changed, you know what I'm saying? Get it changed. Try to fix it, you know. I think I just gotta get the yard space super cleaned up, you know. Cut all the trees down and all that stuff. I think that's all it takes, man. Yeah. What's good, guys? Hold on, I'm tweeting the stream out. I'll be catching up to the chat in a second. Tweeting the stream out. Coin Bureau, man. Everybody know who Coin Bureau is. We got him talking about Casper now. How y'all feeling, man? How y'all feeling? How's the stream looking? We lagging or we straight? How we doing? 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 Got 6 people tuning in. Nice. Stream's good. Thanks. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Did not see that video yet. It's on his Coin Bureau Clips channel. It's on his second channel. Didn't make the main channel yet, but it's only a matter of time. Let me make sure everything on point here, so you guys could see yourselves. Okay, y'all can see yourselves there. And let's move this over a bit. Get this right there. Okay. What's up, Jax? What's up, Rosa? How y'all feeling about this price action today? Cash looks like it's ready to break out here, man. Casper and 3 other altcoins. Yeah. It's good to see, though. We already know Coin Bureau is the biggest channel, right? I think it's Coin Bureau, then Altcoin Daily. Those are the 2 biggest crypto channels in the space. What up, so what? What up, Daily? Homie G Money. What's up, man? Thanks for joining the stream, man. I appreciate it. If y'all tuning into the stream, man, let's get the likes up, man. Like the stream. Subscribe, turn on all notifications. Thank y'all so much for 5,000 subscribers, by the way. We have 5K subscribers now. I got 8 people watching. Let's get 8 likes. We have 5,000 subscribers thanks to y'all, man. Truly and humbly appreciate you guys. We're going to be doing a $50 giveaway, so make sure you tune into the streams. Not this stream. Not this stream. By next week, right? But yeah, we're going to be doing a $50 giveaway. in ETH BNB, if maybe in Casper, I'm not sure. Whatever is easiest, right? Because people like Cozy don't have a Casper wallet yet. He's been trying for a minute. So probably like, you know, ETH or BNB or something. Because I know everybody got like a MetaMask Trust wallet or Coinbase wallet. Everybody got one of those. So make sure you guys tune into the streams, man. What state am I in? I'm in the Caribbean, man. I'm in St. Kitts and Nevis. I'm in St. Kitts and Nevis in the Caribbean. Like Jamaica. You getting the Tangent wallet? Okay, nice. Yeah, man. They got hustlers all over the world, so what? You know, being in this country though kind of like limited my success. I'll be honest with you. If I wasn't born here and I was born in the US, or I like got my papers in the US or Canada, the UK, I'd have probably been a millionaire already, man. I'll be honest with y'all. I'd have been a millionaire Roblox player. I'm telling you. I'd have been a millionaire Roblox player right now. But I still wouldn't fully understand money. So I gotta give crypto, you know, I gotta be thankful for crypto to fully understand how money works and how the fiat system could collapse like tomorrow, right? The fiat system literally can collapse tomorrow, you know. What state are you in, so what? Where you from? And this is why we got projects like Casper, man, because the fiat system could literally collapse tomorrow, and people are gonna need a new form of money or transactions, right? That's where KAS comes in, man. We can see we are holding up these levels. We could start breaking out here. Tennessee, hey, nice. I got a family in Texas. You know, Tennessee's Texas, right? Or am I confused? I got a couple of family in Texas. Got family in Florida and Texas. Got friends in California and Canada. You know. Okay. 8 hours. Okay, so Tennessee's a different state. Isn't Texas the state and then... Oh, well. Okay, so Tennessee's a different state. Okay, got you. So it's 8 hours away. Nashville, man. Nashville, that's like a lot of where the country music comes from, man, right? A lot of country music from Nashville. And you see, hey, I come back to streaming. And all of a sudden Casper looking more bullish, man. I'm telling y'all, don't fade BD, man. You know, my streams are the reason Casper... Look, the reason why Casper didn't hold the all-time high because I wasn't streaming, right? Now I'm back to streaming. You see KAS starting to break out, man. Don't fade BD, y'all. Don't fade the BD family. Exactly. Hey, thank you so much for tuning into the stream. So what? So like, what do you do for a living, man? What's your family life like? What's the first? Let me ask you some questions and since you could answer one by one. What you do for a living? Like, you have kids? What's your family like? Family life like? And how you first got into crypto, man? Pepe's up. What Pepe doing? No, Pepe's not up, man. It's retracing the candle. Did a nice move though, I gotta say. It's retracing this candle. It did a 20% move, but it's retracing now. Casper looking to break out here. You a girl dad as well. You and Maniac could be friends. I think Maniac got 2 daughters as well. That's crazy. You're a software engineer. Oh man. For the government, man. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna have to be upset with you, man. I'm anti-establishment, man. I'm an anarchist, man. Like, down with the government, down with the system. You know, you can't name me one government that's not corrupt, right? I'm gonna let you slide because you in my stream though. Not that government, the local government. Either way, man. Local government with the mayors. Either way, all corruption, man. all corrupt. Work for the schools. Okay, nice, man. Awesome. You know, I respect that. I respect that so much. Software engineer is amazing as well, man. That's crazy. But yeah, man. We got KAS right here holding up, guys. Holding up these levels. A lot of people is expecting we're gonna go deep, man. KAS never drops to what people expect, man. You know, a lot of people expect we're gonna drop deep, man. You never know if KAS just hits the 4.2 or never even goes back down to 4.2, man. You never know. It doesn't even do this. It just does this. You never know, man. It does this, breaks out, retrace, gone. You know, because KAS is a different beast, man. It's a different type of animal here. Which is why I can vet KAS and tell you it's the real deal. Hey, I gotta listen to the smart guys out here, you know. I gotta listen to the software engineers, you know. Please drop deep. I need some KAS in my life. Rosa, keep them prayers going, man. God might answer your prayers. God just might answer your prayers. How long you been in crypto for? So what? $2020, okay, around the same time as me. Did you get crazy gains in the bull run? Did you get crazy success in the bull run, or did you round trip your bags like I did? He always does. Yeah, man, that's us. That's facts, Rosa. God always answers prayers. You know. So you just might get the retrace just for you, you know. A lot of people looking for that retrace, so could happen. But crypto is not guaranteed, man. Remember, the devil is also working overtime. So guess what? You think the devil wants you to have financial freedom? The devil is gonna be like, nope. I'm gonna make this man. I'm gonna make Rosa FOMO. I'm gonna make Rosa FOMO and just juke. Yeah, I'm gonna make Rosa FOMO. Make him buy it 6 cents and then dump it. You know. I mined 600k KAS in 2020 and bought the rest at have 2.6 million now. Jeez! What kind of? Oh my god! 2.6 million! Oh my gosh! What a bag! What a bag! 2.6 million. Let me crunch some numbers. Let me crunch some numbers. Look at that 118k. Oh my gosh. That's awesome, man. That's a nice win right there. That's a nice win right there. And now you just gotta hold until the bull run, man. That's it. So what? Just gotta hold until the bull run now. Jeez. Congrats. If you're tuning into the stream, man, like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Let's continue to crush it, guys. So yeah, what we looking for KAS, man? KAS again could defy the odds. A lot of people are looking for that retrace because we got these resistance levels right here. You know, after we hit that up previous all-time high, KAS is looking to coil up. The bulls are stepping in. We got that resistance level. We could get rejected, or like again, Casper is a unicorn and beast, so the bulls could step in and just push up and then break this previous all-time high resistance and just go straight up to that 6 cent mark, or we could get rejected and come back down once again. So we got to keep an eye on that. You follow 4 people: Recast, Son of a Tech, Casper Silver, Crypto John, and myself. Okay, thank you so much. So what? Shout out to all the content creators out there, man. Nothing but respect and love to all the content creators. You know, sometimes in this space, you know, things get, you know, a little bit tricky. Like, there's a fine line, there's a gray area, because sometimes you mention projects to your supporters. Like, for example, I like meme coins, right? And sometimes I make videos on memes because there's a community that supports it, but then people outside looking in will be like, oh no, you're talking about scams, you're shilling scams, right? When I'm just invested like everybody else, right? And then people would label you a scammer, right? Milady, for example. Yep, exactly. So what? So it's like, it's a fine line and a gray area there, right? Because I'm shilling, I'm not shilling the project to make my bags grow. I'm just talking about it as like, because there's a community that supports it, right? And I also have a little bag as well. I've clearly said, if it fails, it fails. If it takes a W, it takes a W, right? But still, there's gonna be people outside that talk down on you for that, right? So that's why it's so much of a gray area for a content creator. So that's why I say respect to all content creators, you know? Because if this is the case, at a point in time, so what? Kaspa, early day Kaspa, people was calling Kaspa a scam in the early days when you could get $1 million for $200, right? People, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, people in the space, I think, need to man up and take more accountability for their own actions and stop blaming other people. There's clear definitions of what scammers are, right? But if there's a content creator that covers a bunch of different projects, says, oh, that looks good, or that looks good, and it fails, hey, if they didn't get any paid sponsorship for it, you can't be mad at them for it, right? There's other content creators that talk down on other content creators, right? And I don't really respect that, you know. I think it's a gray area, you know, because you're not always gonna be right. You know, you're not always gonna be right, and that's just how it is. You know, now if you're a paid shit, like, hey, I'm getting promoted to talk about this, like people are paying, like if, for example, Milady, when I talk about Milady, if the team was paying me to talk about it, then I'd be like, okay, well, he's getting paid to talk about it. Now that's a different story, right? But you know, meme coins are fun, man. Like Pepe, for example, you never know what could happen with Pepe. I talk about Pepe as well, right? Better investment, Jasmine or Kaspa. You know, both are great projects. I have some Jasmine, but Kaspa is like a different breed, man. So Kas is definitely like more my full conviction bag, right? I got my majority of my portfolio is Kas, right? But nothing like and again, like for example with Jasmine, for example, people talk down on you for covering that and saying, but you never know, you know, you really never know. A lot of the times in the space, you never know, right? So that's why you have a diversified portfolio and never invest more than you're willing to lose, because even a small bag or something that has that, you know, has a, you know, a good RR could pay off, right? But this is why I'm never gonna be a maxi of something. I'll be honest with you, I could never be a maxi. You need to make it clear, even if you had 20 times the subs people buy your picks, is not enough to pump your bag at all. That's important. You may make $1 or someone else throwing 100K at it. Exactly. So what? Exactly. I respect you for clearing that up, man. Nerdy Dave, cast coverage is how we go mainstream. Thank you for the $2, Nerdy Dave. I appreciate that. And they see Coin Bureau talk about Casper now, you know. Never expected that, man. But again, every content creators that make great calls, shout out to them. But there's still gonna be calls that they make or cover, projects that they cover. Some of them gonna fail, right? Even if they made like 80% of their calls are great, there's still gonna be a 20% that doesn't work out or pan out, you know. So, and people would call that person a paid shiller, etc., etc. You know. Nerdy Dave, I appreciate that, you know. Appreciate you, man. Let's go. But yeah, man. I don't know if I'm, so what? I hope I'm making it clear. I hope I'm making what I say clear. You know. But I appreciate you for supporting, man. So yeah, as I was saying, nerdies. I don't know if you just joined the stream, nerdy. But if you take a look, let's take a look, guys, for everybody that's tuning into the stream now. Let's go to Coin Bureau Clips, and you'll see right here there's a video from Coin Bureau Clips. 3 new cryptos making crazy gains. We got Casper right here from Coin Bureau Clips, man. I like how he also you know, got a beautiful woman to help with the content, you know. Nice pretty face to help with the content. And again, you know, Benjamin Cowan and these people, they're gonna be taking notice, man. They're gonna be taking notice of KAS. You know, they're gonna be taking notice of KAS. Coin Bureau is already taking notice. You know, I go into more detail in my video, right? But yeah, man, that's crazy stuff. That's bullish, right? And I was talking about KAS at 1.5 cent, man. Now, obviously, they had people talk about it way earlier than me. But right here is when I started to cover it back here at 1.5 cent, you know. So I gave people a nice entry, man. Nice entry, man. Very nice entry. So, and we, guess what? We're still even under anything under 5 cent. Anything under 10 cent KAS is a nice entry, honestly. Anything under 10 cent KAS is a nice entry. But yeah, if you tuned into the stream, man, like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Hey, Diverse, you remember, man? You remember when I first started to talk about KAS on the channel? Because I was keeping an eye on it. I was waiting for it to come back down like everybody else. Because I saw it at 0.05, man. And then it finally dipped, and I was like, I don't think it's going to go any lower. I don't think it's going to go any lower. Because people are still waiting for that 1 cent, right? And I was like, nope, I don't think it's going to go any lower. Time to ape in and then start to... And then let's start to talk about this beast. And then, boom, the beast exploded, man. I should have started covering it when I first saw it, but I didn't do any research on it, man. I saw it last year, man. I saw it last year back here. You know, when it was still on TXBit. And I just didn't look into it, man. And this is how you fumble gains. As soon as you see a good project, start researching. As soon as you see something that got some attention, start researching, man. Because that's how you make the life-changing gains, man. You know, I thought it was just going to be another come and go altcoin because I didn't do the research. But then after you do the research, you realize, like, man, whoa, this is a gem right here. This is a unique, innovative protocol, man. One of a kind kind of protocol, you know. And going into the bull cycle, man, this is going to go ballistic. You remember because you didn't know if you were going to buy. Yeah, man. Sniper, load up or get left behind. What's up, Sniper? Let's get, hey, listen to Diverse, man. Diverse is a very smart guy. Like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, and donate to help keep the lights on, man. Let's go. Sniper, man. Anytime you hear, man. Anytime you hear, let's get the Hunger Games going for Sniper. Let's get the Hunger Games going for Sniper. It's a Hunger Games for KAS. I hope you got your bag, man. I hope you got your bag. I hope you got your bag. I hope you got your bag, man. I hope you got your bag, man. Even if you just got 10,000 KAS, man. Even if you just got 10,000 KAS, that's potentially $10 to $50,000, man, from $500. And that's not a good trade. That's a great trade. That's an amazing trade. People would be praying for a trade like that in the stock market. In the TradFi market. They'd be praying for a trade like that in TradFi. They'd be praying like, can I please turn this $500 into 10K? I need to pay off my car debt. You know? They praying for a trade like that, man. But yeah, guys, like the stream. Like the stream, man. Subscribe, turn on all notifications. Also, thank y'all so much for 5,000 subscribers, man. You guys are awesome, man. Like, what? 5,000 subscribers? Like, huh? Thank y'all so much for 5,000 subscribers, man. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. You know, I had to make sure I uploaded a video. I got a couple more videos coming. But I didn't want to mess up the streak because I already took 3 days off, right? So I had to upload first before I started streaming. You know, get a video up. I got a couple more coming after the stream. After the streams today. But yeah, thank y'all so much for 5K, man. Let's go to 10K next. BTT, KAS, ETH, everything else is too risky. Hey, that is facts, Sniper. That is facts. I'm a degen though. I'm a degen at heart, so I'm gonna take those risky trades. You know, I'm gonna take the risky trades. I'm gonna take the on-chain trades. But I'm not gonna be shilling them to you. I'm not gonna be out here trying to pump my own bags and stuff like that, you know. Anytime I cover something on the channel, is if like somebody brought it to my attention and I'm like, okay. Like for example, we saw some Mary mentioned an altcoin to me, and it looks pretty interesting. So we was like, oh, this looks cool. You know, we were talking about another project in the Telegram. Okay, this looks cool. I'm not getting paid to shill anything, and I'm turning down all these promos as well. Like so many people hit me up for promotion videos. I'm not taking the promos, guys. You know, I could have made an extra $500, $1,000 this month, $2,000 this month, I'm sure, just off promos. You know, I'm trying to be as genuine as possible with y'all. Trying to be as sincere and transparent. You know. But yeah, if you tuning in, y'all see me talk about, for example, ladies on the channel, man. You know, if you, I'm not getting paid to talk about it. The community supports, man, and I'm growing my channel with it, you know. So I got a little bag, and the community supporting. There's a community there. I talk about it. It's not a paid promo, you know. But yeah, man. Casper holding up very nice here. The market's looking kind of cool. Everything kind of like, you know, kind of just trailing off. If the markets overall break out, Casper's gonna break out. That's the best part. Casper's already so bullish. So when the market starts to break out, Casper's gonna follow with extra rocket fuel, man. You love to see it, man. Let me drop a little gif in my Telegram. This is how Casper is, man. See that? That rocket? That's Casper right there. What's up with you, Dave? But yeah, come on. Hey, don't be haters, man. We got 16 people watching, only 10 likes. Let's get to 20 likes, y'all. Let's get to 20 likes. Y'all being kind of stingy on the boy today. What's up? We supposed to be celebrating, man. We got 5K subscribers. Casper's looking primed to break out. The bulls are still there. It's holding support very well here. Come on, man. They're lurking. They always lurking, man. They always lurking. Imagine if like 10 of the people that was watching actually talked. Majority of people that watch the streams, they just listening in the background, you know, because they're at work or something, which is cool. How y'all Saturday went, man? I got some Chinese food today. You know, got some Chinese food today, man. Pretty nice. How y'all Saturday went? Also working on my Christian channel, Diverse. It's very difficult. I'm surprised I'm not getting as much viewers. But I'm growing that Christian channel. Taking my faith very serious. I don't think it's a sin to talk about crypto, you know. So I don't think the crypto channel is like sinful. So I think I could get away with the crypto channel. Some people are just shy. Yeah, there are a lot of shy people in crypto. I remember when I first got into crypto, I was in a meme coin and I was like always in the VC talking to everybody. And they had people that would just listen in and never say anything. They were just listening and never say anything, man. And some people are like that. It's not even like you can see their face or anything, but that's just how some people are. What were the other altcoins in that video that Coin Bureau put out? Any good? What was the other two? Let's see. Toncoin? I see a lot of people talking about Toncoin. What's the other one? Toncoin and Mantle. I've never researched Mantle. I see a lot of people talk about Toncoin though. Toncoin is a new project as well. What is Mantle? 1.2 billion market cap. Okay. 52% circulated. Why is it falling off a cliff though? Why is it falling off a cliff though? Mass adoption of token governed technologies. Mantle network. Ethereum roll up. Okay. So a layer 2 scaling for Ethereum. 20 million Mantle reward pool. That's probably why it's falling off a cliff, because it's proof of stake. People just selling their rewards. They're just selling their rewards. Okay, got DeFi Treasury. EduDAO, Game 7. It's no Mant. 52% circulated, 47% held in the treasury. Okay. Not bad tokenomics. Oh, they use LSDs. Okay. I like that. I like that they use LSDs. Okay. It's okay. It's not bad. You know, chart not saying much right now, but eventually it's gonna find a bottom because it's brand new, and then it could start to pump from here, man, because it's brand new. Eventually it's like just like Plays app, you know. See, Plays app. Eventually they find their bottom and then they start to bounce. Plays app was dumping at first for like a couple months. It was dumping, man, few months actually, and then it started to pop. So now it's right back to where it launched on the market. You can see the same thing with Mantle. You know, Mantle drops, finds a bottom support, and then it starts to pop. It looks cool. It looks okay. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. Come on, people. Come on, peeps. Keep buying bit by bit. Let's fatten those fishes. Turn them into Casper dolphins. Let's go. What's up, my casseroles, Adam? Thank y'all so join. Thank you, Big Show, for joining the stream, Adam. I see you in my comment section, Adam. You a funny guy, man. You castivators, casseroles. DM the channel. No, I'm not gonna DM the channel, Diverse. I'm gonna keep it to me. It's to me. Keep it to me, you know. What's up, Adam? Maybe I should DM the channel. Spread the message of God, man. Maybe when it gets a bit bigger. Great channel, great streams. Thank you, Adam. But you see Coin Bureau talking about KAS, man. Coin Bureau and his pretty lady friend. Pretty lady friend talking about KAS. What? Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go. 9 hours ago. Let's go. Biggest channel in crypto talk about KAS. I don't think there's a bigger channel than Coin Bureau. Now, he posted it on his Clips channel, but I'm sure it's going to get a dedicated video on his main channel. I think Coin Bureau is the biggest YouTuber in crypto. I think so. I think Altcoin Daily is second, and then Coin Bureau is number 1. Y'all could check the facts for me. Yeah, Altcoin Daily is 1 million subscribers under Coin Bureau. So I think Coin Bureau is the biggest. Hey, KAS is gonna make it to the main channel, man. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. We on their radar now. When KAS keeps crushing it, we gonna get on the main channel, man. I can't check it out. Diverse. If you tuned into the stream though, Caspians, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on all notifications, man. Share the videos with y'all friends and family. Let's crush it. Let's continue crushing it, man. And thank y'all so much for 5K subscribers. It means a lot, man. Without y'all, I ain't nothing, man. Sincerely, truly, from the bottom of my heart, thank y'all so much for 5,000 subscribers. If you find it in the kindness of your heart, man, to become a channel member, please do so, or donate to help keep the lights on, man. Let's keep the content going. They do a pretty good job at Coin Bureau. I like the broad-based analysis of the entire space with regulations, legislation, currency exchange, ratex. Yeah, it's a great channel, man. It's a great channel. Shout out to their team and the Coin Bureau team, everybody in general, you know. It's a great channel. Adam, man, where you from, Adam? And let me ask you some questions. Where you from? What's your family life like? When did you first get into crypto? What's your first crypto you ever bought? But yeah, Caspians, if you're tuning into the stream, man, feel free to talk to me in the chat, man. Let's engage with each other, man. The streams are more for like I could go like deep into content for the streams, but I prefer the streams being more like engaging with you know, just the fam, you know, the BD family, you know, getting to know you guys and stuff like that as we continue to grow. You know, it's always amazing to see all different walks of life aiming for the same goal of financial freedom, or just aiming for a united goal in general, right? It's always great to see that, you know. That's why I love the space as well, because there's so many different people aiming towards the same goal, man. It's a beautiful thing, you know. But yeah, man, Casper, as you guys can see from what I'm showing you guys, I'm looking for the bulls to step in and push past these resistances, and just because right now what people are expecting, they expect the retraces, man. They expect the retraces down to support levels, etc. Back to these support levels. Crucial support level gonna be 3 cent. So people are expecting the retraces, but we're almost at the end of September. And there's a saying that there's something called Uptober, right? Or Pumptober, right? There's something called Uptober. And when it's October, we're super close to October. We can see sideways here for KAS, and then boom, October we start breaking out, man. You know, and people don't get them retraces that they wanted, man. So yeah, man, dollar cost average in, man. That's the smartest thing to do. You from San Antonio, Texas? Okay, nice. Big family, 31. Stay with my parents to save. Nothing's wrong with that, man. Got into crypto at the peak of the last bull run. Bought XRP first. You just like me for real. He just like me for real. He bought XRP first. Then a lot of ICO in 2022. When did you get in? Peak of the last bull run. Oof. You got in at the peak of the last bull run. Oof. Man. In this economy, man, a lot of people in their 20s, early 30s are still living with their parents and stuff like that to save bread, man, because the economy is horrendous. It is horrendous, and rent just keeps getting higher and higher, man. Unless you're making a ton of bank, it's tough. I see a lot of videos online where like there's people like, you know, they live alone, they still got to get help from their parents and stuff like that, man. And you know, it's not really, now this is the thing, we got to take accountability, but a lot of this isn't our fault, man. You know, because I know a lot of people that could relate to your story with that, Adam. You know, why did you buy XRP first though? I bought XRP first because I just saw all the videos talking about XRP and the conspiracy theories and all of that stuff. I started doing my more research, found more information and better projects, began investing more. About six grand invested now, a lot in the cash. 6K invested in the, okay, that's perfect. Like, that's a nice bad to have. Like, the average person can't even afford like 10K in crypto. The average person can't afford 10K to put in crypto. Like, like honestly, the average person can't afford 10K to put in crypto. So you're way ahead of everybody else with that 6K, man. I'm telling you. Honestly, you have a guy that came into the smoothie shop I managed and tipped me $100. Said he just made a bunch of money off dogecoin and he told me I should get into crypto and sat me down. Okay, that's what happened. Nice. You know, it was my first time hearing about crypto was actually from a friend when I back in 2013. He told me about Bitcoin and I just never looked into it, man. I just thought, oh, what kind of scam? Oh, that's probably just a scam. That's what I thought in 2013, and all I had to do was do a quick Google search because he told me about Bitcoin. That's the one he told me about, Bitcoin, right? The main king in 2013. And I never did a Google search. All I had to do was a Google search, man. Just one Google search. He went over a bunch of projects like XRP, Algo, HBAR, Atom, a few others, but all ISO 2022. Did you get wrecked? Did you get wrecked at the top of the cycle, man? I'm thinking about throwing some money on that K. What? Throwing money on what, Jax? I had used Bitcoin to buy drugs on the Still Road in 2012. Man, imagine if you just held that Bitcoin. Oh, you got wrecked like me, man. You see, this is the thing, cause this I got in, you know, just before the run, but I saw gains, but I round tripped the gains, man. I round tripped it. Everybody was saying it's gonna be a super cycle. Everybody was saying, you know, we're gonna see 100K Bitcoin. I just round tripped it, man. Round tripped all the gains. I got wrecked. Yeah, bad. I just never sold. Yeah, man. I kept holding and stacking. Same here. That's what happened to me, man. Roy said, Ice River KSO is still making profits. Okay. Nice going, Roy. How much are the Ice Rivers again? I remember we talked about the Ice Rivers before in the stream. $1,000 for the Ice Rivers, okay. Nice way to get into mine. How much you earn a day with the ice reverse? Yeah, man. I did see the gains, man, but I round tripped it. I round tripped the gains, man. I round tripped them. Round tripped them. You know. I bought She before like it exploded. I didn't put enough money into another meme called Kishu Inu. I could have got like a 20x in Kishu Inu. You know, I didn't put enough money into that. Like, so many opportunities missed, man. But we ready for the next cycle, man. We're very ready. We are super ready. And listen to that man Diverse, man. Listen to Diverse. You know, like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, and feel free to donate to help keep the lights on, y'all. Let's go. What do I mean by round trip? Like, round trip, I mean, Rosa is like I held, the money was going up, and I just never took profits. So when the beer market came, I just rode it all the way back down. Rode all the gains right back down. You know, because all the alts dropped 99% from their all-time highs, right? So I just took what I had and just started reinvesting again. You know, the beer market. Yeah. Stop making fun of me, guys. You guys are mean. 10 AUD a day, 130 KAS coins. Okay. 130 KAS a day. Around about. Okay. I did the same, still with some of them, but diamond hands. Yeah. Because a lot, the influencers were promising me a super cycle, man. They were saying 100,000 Bitcoin. So I'm thinking because I had VRA, I had Telcoin, I had some VET and Harmony One, man. And I rode them all the way up and all the way back down. Yeah, man. They were promising me a super cycle. I didn't see no super cycle. That's for sure. We know better this time, man. Always take profits. Always take profits. Roy, I think Crow is a great project. You know, it's one of the biggest exchanges, a lot of US users. Even Binance has all this FUD, whereas Crow is always, you know, pretty much chilling, right? I think Crow is gonna do well going into the future. You know, next bull run, I could see Crow sitting at $1, maybe $2 to $3. I figured a smaller miner would be worth it. KS0, just to keep mining away. KAS, a top 100 coin. I'm interested but have never mined. Yeah, same here. I thought people talk about the Ice River miner, KS0, and we talked about it, and it looks, it's interesting. It's a good way to start mining, get into mining. You know, and then after, you know, after you mine with KAS, you could look into other projects to start mining, you know. There's always new projects that come out that you could start mining. Just dropped 5K yesterday. I have a 5K ready to drop. Watching it ready to fire. Okay. Nice. Nice, Roy. Thoughts on Quant? Quant is a banger. I don't care. I don't care what nobody say. Quant is a banger. Quant is a banger altcoin, man. Quant is a banger. Bought 10 Quant yesterday. I did say I should start covering Quant on the channel, but I don't know if people are gonna tune in or not. I gotta try it and see. Quant is a banger, man. But yeah, my apologies for the noise in the background, guys. It's raining, you know. Blessings. Showers of blessings, man. Showers of blessings. Casper. I see people like Casper. It's more than likely a good project. A lot of people like it, but You know, I wouldn't add it to my portfolio for this cycle, in my opinion. You know, could be a great play, but I wouldn't personally add it to my portfolio this cycle. Yeah, this is gonna be the bull run that goes down in history, Roy. This is gonna be the biggest bull run we ever see, man, because the bear market that we had has been the longest in history, in the history of crypto existing. This has been the longest bear market, right? So more than likely, the next bull market will be the biggest ever. How is it going to play out? What is going to be the factor for all the money to get into the space? Because last cycle we had the stimmy checks. No idea, but there's going to be something that triggers it, right? Obviously the ETFs are a good sign, but how is retail money going to get into the space? No idea, but there's going to be something that triggers it, man. There always will be. There always is. Still invested in Pepe. I never heard the final word or what actually happened with it. I'm waiting for it to come down lower. I got a bag of it. I got a bag of Pepe. I'm waiting for it to come down lower to my target. I'm waiting for it to come back down to like 150 million market cap, and then I'm gonna buy like some more. I'm gonna buy some more. I still think it's gonna be one of the better memes for the next cycle. As far as market cap goes, it's the number 3 biggest meme. And the final word is that the community is still active. It's very interesting as well that it popped up yesterday or day before. It popped up. So there's a community still there that believes in it. So hopefully, man. The most iconic meme in history, man. I still think it got a chance. Now, obviously, never invest more than you're willing to lose into memes, man. Obviously. Michael! Keeping the lights on, man. Thank you so much, Michael. Quant 10x cash out in the Salmo. Michael, man, you messaged me on Telegram. I messaged back. I didn't see you get back to me. So, yeah, man. Feel free to message me, man. Quan is definitely gonna crush it, man. It is raining all around me. You guys can hear the rain in the background, man. Showers of blessings, man. Showers of blessings. But yeah, if you tune into the stream, man, like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Share the videos in the stream with your friends and family, man. Become a channel member to support. And feel free to donate, man, like Michael did to keep the lights on, man. Feel free to donate to keep the lights on. Pepe could pump again next meme cycle. I hold none but made profits. Yeah, man. It really got it's the most iconic meme, and this is the one that stick. You know, this is the Pepe that stuck. So even though if they had some fun around, like some of the team members selling, it's the Pepe that stuck. And even look at Adam's profile picture, right? It's too iconic. You know, it's too iconic. Look at Maniac's profile picture. You know, it's too iconic, man. These guys were gonna dip back down to 4 cents. I heard something about an ABC correction. That's what I'm looking at, you know. That's what I'm looking at. It may just fall from here, but we don't know yet. We need some type of confirmation, right? Because it's holding here. So we're gonna see if it dips back down. Because the bulls could step in and just wreck everybody. Because Casper does what it wants. It's been doing what it wants for a long time. So the bulls could step in and just start pushing it up again from here. But we're gonna keep an eye out and see. Especially going into October, right? October is right around the corner, man. September is typically bearish overall, but October, man, You see things start to turn around for October. Stuff Adam. The casturbators are out and in charge, man. Bring on October, yeah, man. Yeah, this is a typically bad month for crypto. Smash that like button. I'm always checking back to see where the likes are at. Let's get to 20 likes, guys. 19 people watching. Let's get to 20 likes. Smash the like button like Dave said. Shout out to Dave. Adam, thank you so much for the dono, Adam. I appreciate the $5. Appreciate that so much. Thank you for answering my questions. I appreciate the direct feedback. Casturbators unite. No problem, man. I'm always here to talk to you guys. This is why I say the streams are more for like interacting with the community, with the BD family. That's what I'm gonna call you guys, the BD family. And BD stands for big deals. Big deals. Casturbators unite. Let's go. Just join the Telegram fan. Okay, Rosa. Nice. I appreciate that. Listen to Diverse, man. Diverse is a very smart guy. BD. I still got some Dynex. Yes, I do hold some Dynex. I don't hold a lot though. It's like $200 worth. I'm not holding a lot of like money wise with projects, man. Not holding a lot money wise. KAS is my biggest holding. Like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications, man. Share the videos with your friends and family. Become a channel member and donate to keep the lights on. Listen to that, man. Diverse. I got in like a good time back, not that far back though. You know, Roy. Not that much far back. You know. I know it's already crushed it and it's retracing right now and they got a lot of FUD around it though. So, you know, we'll see what happens with it. A lot of people like it though, so we'll see. I'm not gonna be betting too much of the bank on projects. You know, I'm not gonna bet too much of the bank on certain projects, but I'm still gonna degen and play around. So like, you may see me toss 100 here, 200 there. Nothing too crazy. Oh, you got in when it was on Mexi, okay. What is it doing right now as far as price? I haven't even checked back on it in a minute. I'm gonna be honest with you. Where is it at right now? It's at 44 mil market cap. Okay. Oh, it's not doing bad. It's not doing bad. After it retraced back down, I got in around this range. You know, I covered it earlier, like around 2 cents, but I got in around somewhere around the 3-4 range. You know. It's not doing bad. I thought it was doing terrible because of the FUD. It's looking to coil up again. It's coiling up again here. You know, I think I made a video saying like 1,000 Dynex could be a nice bag. That's what I made the video and said. 1,000 Dynex could be a nice bag. You know. It's not doing bad, man. That's cool. Okay. Hey, what's up, Ghost? We could be called the blockheads. You guys are some blockheads. Setting an order for 500 KAS. If it hits 394, my average is at 395. What's up, Ghost? The blockheads. That's funny. Gala finally bottomed. Dynex is doing pretty good, man. What? Gala finally hit a bottom, man. You know it put in a new low for Gala. You know, Gala could be like a high risk, high reward play, man. Imagine it comes down to like 0.5. You could get $100K Gala for 500 for 500. I would take that bet. I would take that bet. I'm not even joking. I would take that bet, man. GFAL also doing pretty good. I'm shocked that Dynex is doing it. I thought Dynex would have been retracing way back down. It's not. Okay, Dynex. I'm like the three projects I like. Now that I see that Dynex is holding up, the three projects that I really like is Casper, Octaspace, and Dynex. Those are the three I really like. These are the three I really like: Casper, Octaspace, and Dynex. Those are the three I really like. You know, I ain't got a ton of money to toss around into them though. Typical day, just expect a lot of senders, man. You just gotta look back in the past, man. Look at previous projects. You know, when Dogecoin was on its crazy run, everybody was talking about it, and the bull run lasts for like months, like just all sending every like months, just up and to the right. There's no point in selling, right? It's just look at the chart, right? Doge is a good example of that, man. It's just up for months. You know, everybody talking about crypto. You're gonna know what you're gonna like. I'm telling you, you're gonna know when to sell, guys. You're gonna know when to take profits, because Jimmy from down the street is gonna ask you, "Yo, how do I buy some Casper?" You're gonna see people that you never expect to ask you about crypto on like your workplace asking you about crypto. And that's when you start selling, man. That's when you start selling. I'm sorry, because I'm not gonna get wrecked again. I gotta bounce you. I'll take it easy. Have a good night, everyone. BD rule. Thank you, Adam. Shout out to you, man. Thanks for joining the stream. I'm telling you, when your coworkers start asking you how to buy, you start selling. I'm telling you, don't get wrecked this time. People make thousands in a day. It's chaos. And Michael, there's gonna be so much meme coins that come out too. Oh my gosh. And new projects that launch. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna have to be on point as a family, man, so we could get them short-term trades to add to the bags that we are super bullish on. You know, that's what we gotta be doing, man. We get them short-term trades. Let's work together as a community to do so. You know, you're right. ScentQuest, shout out to you, ScentQuest. Thanks for joining the stream. And then same people will forget about the bull in the next. Forget about the beer next time. Yep, exactly. Thanks, because I plan on flipping coins to make gains, yeah? Don't overthink it too much, Michael. Just be like, just know, look, don't be greedy. The opportunities will present themselves. If you don't even think about waiting for the 10x. You get in a project, get a 3-4x, you get out. That's it. That's all you need, and then you do it again. And make sure you put like your savings into a great altcoin, like maybe put them back in the CAS, put the profits back in the CAS, right? Something like that, you know. Put the profits right back in the CAS. So you get a 3x. You got a $300. You get a 3x. You get 1,200, right? You put 500 in the KAS, 600 in the KAS, and then you play around with 400. You know? And then you just rinse and repeat. Because there's going to be... The thing about the ball is that you're going to be... You don't even have to overthink. Because you're going to be trading against... You're going to be trading against people that never knew what... Never stuck around through the bear market. You're going to be trading against people that's going to be diamond handing and thinking it's going to go up forever. You're going to be trading against people that don't even know how to use Uniswap. Don't even know how to use, you know... centralized exchanges. Don't even know how to buy Casper on, you know. Keep a hotter bag. Yeah, exactly. Keep a hotter bag, Roy. Yeah, keeping a moon bag just in case. Right, exactly. Yeah, I forgot that. I'll keep sending call outs. Love the content. Thank you, Roy. But yeah, don't even overthink, because you stuck around through the worst market conditions ever. You're gonna be trading against people that are noobs. That don't know nothing. They're not gonna beat you, man. They're not gonna beat you. We've been here throughout the worst market conditions ever. They're not gonna beat us. they're going to be our exit liquidity, and that's sad to say, but that's how the market works, man. That's how the market works. They're gonna be our exit liquidity. But yeah, man, if you're tuning into the stream, like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, man. Become a channel member, and feel free to donate, man, to help keep the lights on. You know, as you guys can see from the videos, I've been making some great content, but the viewership for crypto is like abysmal, man. So the donations really help. And, you know, the people that sign up to the memberships really help as well. %. Let's go, Roy. When I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna focus more on the Patreon. I should be building the Patreon now, but I want to assemble a team that's so good at finding plays, and then I'm gonna make a private group for the team, right? That's what I'm building with the community now. Because we're probably gonna make the Telegram private eventually. No, we're gonna make a new Telegram, just a private Telegram for people that are just good at finding stuff early. That's when I'm gonna focus heavy on the Patreon. You know, just gonna build a team up first, because that's what we got. That's how you win in crypto, man. You work together, right? 10 heads, 20 heads, 30 heads better than one. You know, like for example, when I was making my content, I should have been building out a community. So when I saw KAS at 005, I could share it and be like, guys, what y'all think of this? You know, when KAS was back at 005, and then all of us be like, okay, somebody does their research, you know, and they'd be like, oh, that looks good. Oh, let's buy this, you know. That's what I'm trying. That's what I'll be, not even trying. That's what I'll be building here with the BD family. You know, just some tactical investors, man. Tactical snipers. But yeah, Casper, as you can see, guys, we're holding here. October is coming around. I wouldn't be surprised if we break out, man. People might expect to retrace. October is very close, and I wouldn't be surprised if Casper just moves up from here, man, and shocks everyone again. We'll see what happens, though. We could retrace back down to 4 cents, though, obviously. So don't rule that out. Don't rule that out. But yeah, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning into the stream. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications. I'll be back with another stream. Appreciate all the support from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all for 5K subscribers, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.